What's up, guys? So today's video, we're picking up another truck, but it's not what you think. Here she is. Long story short, Marketplace got the best of me again, but I was working on this old girl. I'm pretty sure this motor's shot. I think it has deeper problems than what I want to deal with, so got frustrated with it. Spent a whole day working on it and didn't fix anything, so went and got this old girl. I'm just gonna take the engine out and swap it into this one. But this video is about me going to get that truck, trying to make it run and fire up, which actually does pretty dang well, actually. Just it doesn't drive very well. You'll see. Enjoy the video. Well, made it home. Look at this beauty. Leaking fuel all over because I just cut the line way back whenever they were working on it, so that's great. But check this thing out. Supposedly it runs and drives. Well, I just gotta work on it a little bit to make it run. But she is beat. Got a little weight reduction right here. Don't worry about that. Got the old fuel tank. Oh no, that's the fuel tank right there. It's interesting, different than mine. Got some more weight reduction right there. These tires are sick. I might have to put these on the green one and go buy 2 more. They're pretty cool. They don't really dry rot either. Anyway, this is it. Got it for a steal. I got that black parts truck too, but I don't know if I really want to actually get it because there's nothing really useful in it. But yeah, Manuel. It's got a PTO on it. I think it was a water truck the guy was saying or something. Anyway, I'm gonna go get me something to drink and then try to get this thing running off of a fuel tank or something. See what happens. Okay, got my battery hooked up. Look at this cool power inverter or something. I don't know. Custom. Got that all plugged in. Now, I'm gonna just see if it turns over, which it should, if I got it all hooked up ready. And then I'll probably switch over the carb from the other one or just run a line right there from a gas tank. We'll see. So actually, while my jump pack is charging, might take a while. Gonna take this off, all that down to the fuel pump, and then hopefully I can reach it down into a fuel jug. Should work pretty good. Okay, let's try again. Well, I'm an actual idiot. How would this from the tank draw anything or pull anything to the car without a fuel pump? I'm an idiot. Okay, got the fuel pump on, only 1 bolt holding it. That line goes to the tank. This line pushes it to the carb, I think. I think that's how it goes. Let's see if it pulls any fuel to the filter. Wow. I literally breathed on the key. Dang, 2 revs good, I think. Way better than mine. Alright, let me try it on. Well, it fired right up, and my brother's here now, so we're just gonna back her off and then pull her up to the garage and top her off with a little bit of coolant, or just probably water, who knows. And then we're gonna go try to take her for a cruise. I can't believe how easy it fired up. I'm pretty stoked. Kind of scared. Alright. See if I can't drive her off. Wheel straight. Shut off on its own. I don't know what that's about, but dude, that's pretty sick. What a unit. Now that's a quality purchase.
Check out this dent up here.
Let's see.
Hold on, wait. Oh yeah. Do a little more forward. Yep. One more.
It's even got the old headliner. Oh, what's this? Oh. No clip.
Give her one more hit right here. Right. Yep, right there. Yep. Oh, there it is.
she is.
One more. Do it again. Closer to the
Oh,
edge.
the old headliner.
Do it closer to the edge.
I had to blew my hand through it. Oh, that was worth money.
It's pretty straight now.
God, cardboard. Brother noticed this while unloading it. Check this out. Alright, we topped it off with some coolant. Don't let it suck it down. Then we're going for a cruise. Hopefully we don't die. This thing runs good. It seems like. Just has a little lifter tick. Or rockers, whatever they're called. Dang, she purrs. Hold on. Oh yeah, the starter does that. Hold on.
I think it ran out of fuel finally. Now it needs to pump it in.
Wow, we didn't even make it out of the driveway. Maybe it's not reaching the...
Or the kink is not
messing it up. See how this works. I'm not spilling anything, am I?
Nope.
Oh, okay, good. I'll be fine. Okay. Should get us around the block. Yeah, she'll fire up.
Need to get a vacuum in here.
we're back.
Whatever, here we go.
Is that power steering?
Nope, it's not even. There's not even a pump on it.
Here we go. I'd go uphill, huh? That way when it dies, we can coast back home.
I guess.
Oh, yep. Got it. Yeah, man. We're cruising.
Tires aren't flat spotted at all, are they?
No. At least there's nobody waiting for us. Got a little gallop to it.
I think the tires have sat for a minute. Holy crap.
Oh yeah. Cheers, this is great.
This wouldn't be.
Oh boy, she's rough.
Just the tires. Dude, it actually does run pretty good. I think, at least. Got more power than the other one.
It smells hot or something. You never brought a fire extinguisher, did you?
Nope.
Maybe we should go back and get that.
Nope. Okay. Let's just check.
Yeah, let's take a little look at it first.
Didn't think about it. I don't know the last time this thing drove was. He's just burning all the crap off here.
Well, hopefully there's leaves in there. Don't catch nothing. Let's go back and get an extinguisher before we get too far away.
There's actually one in the green truck. Why is it?
No fuel?
Oh!
What?
She's leaking out of the fuel pump. Guess I should have put the other screw in.
Oh, it's leaking bad.
Yep.
Real bad. You got a trail.
Really?
Let's get back.
Holy crap. This will turn around and do. Ooh, 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 ooh. All the road being
Pretty smooth now.
this one. We're really trusting these brakes.
Well,
I guess I get downshift, but
Yeah, we'll be all right. All right, we're back to base. Home base. We made it.
I mean, that was pretty successful.
Yeah.
We didn't have to walk.
Started right back up.
Oh, it's still running. I thought it died.
This thing's so quiet.
Let's get. Oh. Let me,
What do you think, boys? We got a new going to town rig?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look under there.
Oh boy.
Oh, crap.
How'd that happen?
There's no bolt on the other side of it. Let me put that in. We're missing that guy.
Yeah, you're gonna need that. Pretty clean rig though, really.
Clean one on there.
Trim's in real good shape. Pretty much nothing wrong with the trim. Surprising considering every other panel on the thing's blown out.
Well, they ran $500 in fuel. Check this out though. Every single light works. Even the blinkers. Get a good glory shot of this thing. What a beauty. I actually like the orange a lot. Obviously that taillight don't work, but it's pretty sick. I think I'm gonna go. I already called the parts stores. They didn't have any gaskets for the fuel pump, so I'm gonna go to my brother's. He's got like a little roll of gasket maker, and you can just take the fuel pump off and make your own. So I'll try that out. But I'm gonna pull her up in the rocks right there, and maybe do that tonight. Probably not. I don't know. But I want to make this thing run good enough. I mean, it already does, just not leak. So I can take some stuff to the dump with this truck. I think it'd be pretty sick. I'm pretty happy with this purchase though so far. Okay, next morning, got a gasket on the fuel pump down there. Got this kind of tied off. I'm gonna fire it up, see if it leaks or not. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna load her down and take some stuff to the dump real quick. Let's see how she starts the next morning. Might take a second, there's not much fuel in the filter. Oh, take her out of gear, how about? Oh yeah. This thing purrs like a dang kitten. Not getting fuel yet. What's up with that? So I noticed it was still leaking right there. There's a hard line that goes to one of the tanks. It leaked all night long onto the ground, so I just tore this little old piece off, remnants of it, and then just routed this line to it. So it might just run off its own tank right now. Let's see. Let's see if she fires up again. Okay. Should be getting fuel to there, but not. Well, it hasn't died. It's slowly getting fuel. Kind of see it trickling in there, but I don't know if the fuel pump is going bad or if it's just struggling to suck it out of the tank. I'm gonna just let it run for a while and see if it dies or not. Might just run like this. Okay, I topped it off on the back tank. It's running again, so it must have been absolutely low on fuel because it did sound hollow when I tapped on it. But the filter isn't getting all the fuel like it used to. And I would run off this. I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna go for a little cruise and see how it does real quick. And let's go. See how far we get or get stranded. Okay, just killed it. See any puddles yet? Second. First is like 2 miles an hour. There we go. She's a little bumpy on the tires, but I mean, it's charging. That's pretty neat. I don't know if the temp gauge works. Can't see the fuel gauge. It's obviously got some fuel in it, probably about 4 or 5 gallons. Dude, it runs good though. Ooh. Ooh. Even the blinkers work, actually. Oh my gosh. Grind it to find it, I guess. Oh my gosh. Guess second it is for this hill. Like I'm on a dang horse and I've never even been on one. Holy crap, this thing is a hoopty. Make sure to use the old blinker for no one. There we go. Oh yeah, she smooths right out. Once you get a little speed. Oh gosh, just kidding. Oh, there's a hole through the floor. I can see the road. That's fine. Oh my gosh. Maybe the temp gauge does work. It's slightly moving up. Giddy up. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is great. I wonder if the heater works. Got to. Hey, we made it around the block. That's a success to me. Oh. Wow. I can't believe how good it runs. Well, we made it. Got a little squeak to it now. Yeah, things are getting warm now. I can't believe it's running off just that. Check that out. No leaks. This thing's mint. Pretty excited about this thing. I mean, the truck itself is absolutely garbage and drives like junk, but I think I'm gonna load her down with some trash and dump stuff and go take it to the dump real quick, just down the road. Well, turns out it is not charging. At least it died in the driveway when I killed it, so that's good to know. I got my little jump pack, it worked out for me. Just headed down the road right now to the dump and hopefully it goes good. The temp gauge does work though, that's pretty cool. She's warming up. You know, besides this thing driving like absolute garbage, it runs really good. Got all the power it needs and following the water truck, so she might be getting a little dirty. Work truck. Well, successfully left the dump. Got like a 2-minute drive back home. Let's see how far we get. Well, not gonna lie, left me stranded for a second. Good thing I had this. I think it's time to tear this engine out real quick.